an all-time fall favorite? Apples. Not a dog named Apples. I love that dog, that's my friend's dog, but I'm talking about apples, the fruit. They are versatile, they are great for baking, and today we're gonna make a decadence-free delight, apple chips. You can enjoy your apple chips in a variety of ways. My faves are having them with a little Greek yogurt, getting a little more decadent and add them to your ice cream, or be a little savory and pair them with pork chops. One of my favorite ways though is eating them fresh out of the bowl. They're a delicious treat. Enjoy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.